Hi, it's Joan. This week I'm talking about a hand from a recent tournament that I played in at Coffs Harbour in Australia and New South Wales. And I checked the results on this hand. There were about 30 tables playing in this event. And the way that I would open it with my partner is we play four card suits, and that includes four card majors, not five card majors. So we would open this hand, which I did, one heart, promises four or more cards. And we would open the lower ranking of two four card suits. So I duly opened one heart. And wait till you see what look what the next hand did. Five diamonds over that. And my partner leapt to six hearts. So I passed and hoped for the best. So they led a diamond, as you would expect they would. We've got one diamond loser only. We've got a very beautiful 6-4-10 card heart fit. We've got the top spade and the second spade, the king, not that we even need it. And we've got solid clubs. So this hand is looking really good. They return a diamond, which we trump. Now we've got 10 trumps. Surely we'll be able to find the queen. Now the queen will drop. Yep, there it is. And we've actually got the rest of the tricks because all the clubs are good. The king of spades is good. The ace of spades is good. So we can just claim now. We didn't even need as many points as that to make this slam, which is really amazing. And it comes down to the fact when you've got a great fit, it makes up for high card points. So let's have a look at the four hands. First of all, what do we think of the leap to five diamonds? Well, it was quite a dangerous bid. I'll just click to take this bidding off the screen because we needed to see the fact that they had eight diamonds, 8-2-2-1 shape. And when you have that, you might as well jump to five because even though you're not going to make five, it's a preemptive bid. What you're trying to do is upset the partner of the opener. Well, there were 30 tables playing, only four tables bid to six hearts, and all the rest of the tables stayed in either four hearts or five hearts or, let them play diamonds. Well, I think that partners leap straight to six hearts is a really good bid because they've got the ace, the king, they don't have a diamond. They've only got one loser, though, in diamonds. And we've opened the bidding. We've got to have something. So it is quite amazing how many people don't bid slam. And slams are the way to win events. There's no doubt about it. If you bid slams, you'll pick up a lot of points if you're playing in a Swiss imp tournament where the actual scores matter. So partners jump to six hearts was based on the fact that we'd opened, they had a second suit, they had only one diamond loser, and they had all the hearts. So for us, it was a very good score because we bid it. And their five diamond interference was a great bid by them too, but it didn't stop us reaching slam. Have a great week, everyone.